So, today we are working on Mr. Stevie VB's WRX.
What's up, guys?
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Grimspeed intake. PSR EVCS, which is pretty much the same as Grimspeed, Cobb, and other brands. And then Downpipe, because that thing is a bit ugly. There's Rexy, nice and dirty. Ooh, wow, that is bad.
Better not show my address.
Oh, people are gonna find you and come after you.
Fuck. Grimspeed intake. We're gonna have whooshy noises. Fresh gaskets.
Gasket.
If you guys didn't tell, power mods today.
Yes, I informed them.
Good man.
Bad thing about Grimspeed is these are built for American, so they don't even fit on the screws. Like the screws are there, and then oh, there's the other one. It doesn't work, man.
Start by getting this.
Oh wow, boxing on Grimspeed. Rip it off. Get rid of it. I thought you got throw it out the ground.
I could get $5 for this. This is from him, Ben.
Our newest cold air intake for the 2008 to 2014 WRX and STI.
Okay, I don't care. He said you can loosen that and you can leave that one a bit tight.
Yeah?
Back to the video.
Back to the video.
Rubber airbag mount. Aha. Near 10 mil.
I do have shifters if you want.
Alright guys, welcome back. We're doing my intake and downpipe today. We've got Bailey and Simon is coming to help me. Yeah, got a tune tomorrow. Let's fucking do it. Fuck, I just saw myself in a little reflection on the GoPro. I look like a fucking idiot. Shout out Liam. Thanks for packaging my thing. I don't want to scratch this.
Just leaving my tools on the ground was
You know how it is. How do I spit on it?
just like deep throat, like spit on your finger.
It was dirty.
Go on, you got an immune system.
Oh yeah, that's too much. Oh yeah, look at that lubricant. Oh, that's all bubbly. That's so gross.
How much are you putting on?
I don't know, it needs to be lubed up.
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting this all dirty as well. This is amazing. Greatest invention ever, man.
Milwaukee sponsor me.
Milwaukee is the good shit.
Milwaukee. This is my car tool bag.
I saw a ute
that was
red with a Milwaukee sign on it.
Yeah, that's the trucks that go around and sell you stuff.
They make everything. Back to the video.
Back to the video.
It's crazy how big this is.
Actually,
Right now, he said extreme precision is not necessary.
we got a little dot somewhere there. Yes. Anyone want a stock G3 intake? Let Stevie know.
Yeah, why is there a dead fly in my box?
Alright, you know what? You can do this all by yourself, I believe in you. I don't want to touch it.
Wish me luck, guys.
He's done it.
Right, I'm actually doing stuff to my own car.
He actually did a lot of this. I just helped with the corners. He wanted to kill himself on that.
Chuck it in this way.
Yep, definitely that way.
Oh my gosh. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, look at that. Oh, I wonder who that could be.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck.
He's got it.
Yes. I'm just gonna kind of line it up, eh?
Put all the bolts in.
What's up, man?
Stevie's done. Look at him. Sweating like an old dog. Yeah.
I'm actually working on my car for it. Got the boys posted up at my house. I just finished the intake and they're doing the downpipe now. Shout out to these boys. It's going very good so far. We got it. Okay, we've got to cut this.
That one?
Oh, and then
That one
comes apart.
Yes.
Oh, that's right.
No need to do these. These are just fucking tight because your cat's right here. It's not gonna.
Downpipe is coming out right now. Thanks to the boys, and now we're ready to get this catless one in. Got my new gasket for the cat back, the bolts, got the new turbo gasket as well. The bolts came off all good. Oh my gosh. Look at how arched this man is. Oh shit. I'm gonna drive down. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Fuck yeah. Look at that big old thing. Oh, there's already a bolt there.
There's studs. So.
Is it that way?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Then that will just sit there.
Oh, actually does look alright without it. ABCS. Mine did not come in time, so I'm using Simon's. ABCS. What's going on?
ABC just
Downpipe is done. Intake is done. Having two at once.
Sorry.
Look at those yummy.
Sorry,
finger
guys.
gone.
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh, it's so dark now, but we're done. The video can barely even see it. Intake, catless downpipe, and EBCS.
Ready?
Yeah.
She's definitely louder. That sounds so good. Go. Oh, I can hear the intake.
Yeah, boy. So.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yo, it's the next day. Alright guys, I couldn't really do any explaining yesterday, I don't know. I was kind of just in the moment and it was really fun installing those parts. But yes, it is the next day, it's the day of my tune. We are all ready to go. I do need to go get some fuel though, so I'm gonna drive, get some fuel and then head straight to the tuner. But yeah, we now have Grimspeed intake, a new catless downpipe down there. Cheers to Simon and Bailey for helping me with that, and they also helped me with this EBCS. So yeah, we're all good to go, but it sounds good. The intake is fucking awesome. I can't wait to get some in-car clips for you guys because I didn't get any yesterday, but it sounds really good. It's a really loud intake, and I'll be making a an exhaust sound video eventually, and maybe even an intake ASMR video. But yeah, for now, car's done. I'm so keen to get a tune because I'm going out with the boys tonight and it's gonna be fucking awesome. So, let's head over, get some fuel, and go to the tuner. All filled up guys, and we're heading to the tuner now. Alright guys, we are here. Yes, we are at Evo R. A lot of my mates have gone here, okay, and I trust Mao, the tuner, and all my friends' cars have been alright. I'm not getting anything too crazy, so I'll be getting like a safe tune. And I'm not going to be pushing too much power, so I think it'll be right. And yeah, let's do it. To go. I've just been waiting. He's been doing a few more pulls, but I think it's going well. Can't even see on my phone, but 288. We're all done and the car is finally tuned. Alright guys, we're going for the first drive of the tune. I went for a drive with Mao the tuner and it sounds pretty good, so I'm keen to test it myself. Oh, I can't believe I finally have my car tuned. Holy shit. That is crazy, man. That intake is so loud. I hope you guys can hear that. Yo guys, it is now the next day after my tune. Last night was really fun. I had a good night out, testing out the tune under like underpasses and through the tunnel and stuff. Did some good pulls and it's so fun. I'm loving it so much with my new setup. I had a good time with Bailey and Simon when I was installing the parts. I honestly don't know what is left to do with the car now. I've done pretty much all I want to this Subi, so I don't know really. I might just have a break for a while from modding it and try and just post some videos of hanging out with my mates, having fun, if you guys want to see that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for the support on Instagram to all my stories and all the people saying congratulations and enjoy it and stuff like that. I hope you guys are liking the new setup and what I've done with the Subi. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe for more, and while you're down there hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. You guys are the best and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!